Hi students, last video we have completed page number 17 first topic. Up to first topic we have completed. Today we will start from the second topic of this page, question E. Let's read the question. Disha Vakani was asked to note down the distances from home to school of her good friends of her class. The data is recorded as follows. The teacher has asked her to collect the data of her friends, those who are coming from their home, or how many distance they are away from the school. So Diksha collected their friends' names and collected the distance from their home to school. This is the data she has collected. Here in these boxes, two boxes are there. One box she has written her friend's name, and the next box she written the distance from their home to school. First one is Madhavi, 5 kilometer away from the school. Madhavi lives 5 kilometer from the school. Next one Komal, she lives 3 kilometers away from school. Third one is Anjali, she lives 7 kilometers away from the school. Fourth one Geeta, her friend, 2 kilometer lives from the school. Babita, 8 kilometer lives from the school. Now last one is Rukmini, lives 6 kilometer away from the school. Now related to this box we have given few questions. First question is in this page and the remaining questions are given on the page number 18. Now we have to read the question and find out the answer from this box. First question, how many students live at the distance of less than 7 kilometer from their school? See, one by one we have to observe how many kilometers they are living from their school. First one Madhavi, yes, she lives less than 5 kilometer away from the school. So we can take the Madhavi's name. 1. Next one is Komal. She also lives less than 7 kilometers. So second name is Komal. Then third one, not to take. Anjali lives 7 kilometers, lot less than. So not to take. Now fourth one is Geeta. Geeta lives 2 kilometers away from the school. So we can take her name also. Next one is Babita, not to take. Then last one is Rukmani. She lives 6 kilometers. That means less than 7 kilometers away from the school. So we can take the name of 4 students. That means Madhavi, Komal, Geeta and Rukmani. So you have to write the answer here. 4 students live at a distance of less than 7 kilometers from their school. You note to write their names, only just write how many students live from the 7 kilometers less than from their school. Write the answer, 4 students live at the distance of less than 7 kilometers from the school. Now we will move to the next page to see the second question. See, your second question is, who lives farthest from the school? To find the answer, again we have to look out the box. Who lives farthest from the school? To find that, we have to find the second box. Who lives the most distance away from the school? 5, 3, 7, 2, 8, 6. Among these, 8 is the longest distance. That is Babita. So who lives farthest from the school? Babita lives farthest from the school at a distance of 8 kilometers. You just write the answer only. Yes, I have written that answer. Babita lives farthest at a distance of 8 kilometers from the school. Second answer also over. Now we have to see the third question. How many students live within half kilometer from their school? Students, in that box, any student is live within half kilometer from their school? No. No student is living within half kilometer. So we have to write the answer there. No students or 0 students. No students or 0 students live within half kilometer from the school. Now the fourth question is, who among all lives nearest to the school? Among these students, how many students are there? 6 students names given there. Among these, who lives very near to the school or nearest to the school? Among these, who lives? See, Geeta, the smallest distance is showing here 2 kilometers. So we can write Geeta lives nearest to the school at a distance of 2 kilometers. Now we will see the last question of this topic. How many students live at the distance of more than or equal to 7 kilometer from their school. Here you have to listen. Equal to 7 kilometer or more than 7 kilometer. Again observe that box. Find out who are living within 7 kilometer and more than 7 kilometer. Equal to 7 kilometer and more than 7 kilometer. Yes, we can see that. First Anjali lives equal to 7 kilometer, and the next one is Babita. Babita lives more than 7 kilometer. So only two students only lives equal to and more than 7 kilometer. So we can write the answer. Two students, Anjali lives 7 kilometer and Babita lives with a distance of 8 kilometer from the school. So you write the answer. Two students, Anjali and Babita, lives equal to 7 kilometer and more than 7 kilometer. So we have completed this topic. Now page number 18. Question 5. Add the following length. Addition of length and subtraction of length. When we were explaining the lesson, I have explained about how to calculate the meter, centimeter, kilometer. So here we have to do that addition. The first question is add the following length in this topic. First question is 40 meter 75 centimeter plus 45 meter 75 centimeter plus 60 meter 95 centimeter. Here in this page we have to calculate this, or we have to find the sum of these meters and centimeter. Here there is not enough space, so I have done all the calculations in a separate page. First I will show how can we calculate this addition, or how can we do this addition. First I will show that page. After that you write these answers in this page only. In the workbook page you have to write only answers. The calculations just I will show. So this is the first question. 45 meter and 75 centimeter and 60 meter and 95 centimeter. To calculate this, first we have to make two columns for meter. First column for meter and second column for centimeter. In the meter column, first we have to find out what are the meters given here. The first number 45 is the meter and second number 60 is the meter. 60 is the meter. So that two numbers we have to write downwards. Next column we have to take the centimeters numbers. First question 75 is the centimeter and second question 95 centimeter. After that put the addition sign and now calculate. Start to calculate. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10. Write the right number 0 down that number and the remainder 1 will take to the next position or the next place of the number, that is tens place. Now 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Here also from 17, 7 we have to write under this number and the remainder 1 will taken to the next place of that addition or the numbers. Now here 1 we have written on the top of that 5, then 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have to add 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So what is the answer of 45 meter and 75 centimeter plus 60 meter 95 centimeter? Answer is 106 meter and 70 centimeter. This is the calculation only for your revision or reference I have done here. You also students have to do these calculations in a rough page without copying from the video. You have to do yourself and write the answers only in the page 18 from in the workbook. Now let's go to the next question. Question B. Question B is 190 meter 50 centimeter plus 75 meter plus 35 centimeter. Here also for meter and centimeter we have made separate box columns. First column, if in meter column we written 190 meter and 75 meter, and centimeter column we have written the first numbers centimeter 50 centimeter and second number 35 centimeter. After that adding, find the sum of these numbers. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. After that 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 7 is 16. That one we have to take here. Along with that 1, that remainder 1 we have to take to there. After that 1 plus 1 equals 2. So what is the answer for 190 meter 50 centimeter plus 75 meter 35 centimeter? 265 meter and 85 centimeter is the answer. Now question C. Question C is 9 kilometer 600 meter plus 8 kilometer 38 meter. Students, here we have to listen that in the first question 9 kilometer and 600 meter. 3 digits are there in the first question in meter. So here also we have to make 2 columns for kilometer and meter. 9 kilometer we have written in the kilometer column, meter 600 we written in the second box, meter box. Now next number is 8 kilometer and 38 meter. So when we are writing this 38, there are 2 digits only. That time we have to start from the right hand side, that means from the ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In this way we have to take. Don't write 38 just under the 6 and 60. So 38 is writing just below 2 zeros. Then while writing these numbers you have to take care how to write the different digit numbers. In first question there were 3 digits and second question 2 digits. So 638 how we have written? Listen that. 600 plus 38 adding we got 638 meter and 9 plus 8 is 17. So what is the answer for this question? 9 kilometer 600 meter plus 8 kilometer 38 meter is 17 meter and 638 meter. Now we see the questions D. Question D also given kilometers and meters. 68 kilometer 139 meter plus 51 kilometer 340 meter. Here also we have to make 2 separate columns for kilometer and meter. In the first box write 68 meter and the second box meter 139 meter. And just below that second numbers 51 kilometer and 340 meter. After that finding the sum of these numbers. 9 plus 0 equals 9, 3 plus 4 is 7, 1 plus 3 is 4. How many meters we got? 479 meters. Now kilometer. 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 5 11. So total 119 kilometer and so 479 meter. This is the answer for question 4. Now move to the question E. Question 5. Here we have given in the first number only kilometer only given 17 kilometer. There is no meters. And the second number to add 16 kilometer and 702 meters. Here also we have to make 2 columns for kilometer and meter. In the first column write the 17 kilometer. As there is no meters we have to put zeros in that box for the convenience of addition. And in next downwards we have to write the 16 kilometer in the kilometers column and 702 meter in the meters column. Now we can add easily, as we have written that 3 zeros for the convenience of addition, we can add the number very easily. Now 0 plus 0 and 702 is 702 only, because any number add with 0 we will get the same number as the answer. Now we have to add a 17 kilometer and 16 meter. 7 plus 6 is 13 and 13. 3 we have to write just below that 7 plus 6 and the remainder 1 we are taking to the left place of that number. So 1 plus 1 equals 3. So what is the answer for this? 17 kilometer 16 kilometer 702 meter equals 33 kilometer and 702 meter. Now next question is F. Question number 6. 12 kilometer 50 meter plus 950 meter. In the question number E, there in the first number there were only one number, kilometer only, meter were not given. But here in the first number, along with the first number, 2 numbers given, kilometer and meter, that is 12 kilometer and 50 meter. But in second number, to add along with this number, there is only one number, meter only. So in kilometers column, there we have to put zeros. So make 2 boxes or 2 columns, write kilometer, meter first box write 12 kilometer and the meter 50 meter, and in the first box kilometer, there we have to put zeros as there is not given the kilometer, and the meter box we have to write 950. Then after that you have to start the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10. For the 10, 0 we are writing there and 1 is carrying forward. That means we are writing on the next place of the number. So 1 plus 9 is 10. That 10, 0 writing there, then 1 carryover is taking to the next position. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So here answer is 13 kilometer only. So the answer for the question F is 12 kilometer 50 meter plus 915 50 meter is only 13 kilometer, no meter there. Now question G. Here also centimeter only we have to add, very easy. We have to make only one box centimeter. 750 centimeter plus 950 centimeter. So 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, the remainder 1 carrying towards here. 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 equals 17. So how many centimeter? 750 centimeter plus 950 centimeter is, answer is 1700 centimeter. Now in this section we are moving to the last question of this topic, 60 meter plus 80 meter. Here we have to add only meters, not mixed number, only meters only given here. 80 plus 60 very easy, 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 140 meter. So we have completed this. Now here given the next topic is subtract, that we will do in the next session. Today we are completing this page up to here only.